One of the easiest options right there is going to be using a cabinet filler. Those can help really close in that space. They also give us flexibility on how much space we can allot for our cabinet, because one of the big considerations in a bathroom is you want to make sure you have proper clearance around your toilet. So let's say we're working in your typical 5x8 bathroom. You want to make sure you've got 30 inches around your toilet, and then with your vanity, depending on your cabinet, your door layout, let's say we're working with an inside cabinet, we can go really close to that wall. If you're working with a full overlay doors on your cabinet, we're gonna need a little bit more space there to make sure your doors can open properly. So a filler is gonna help us achieve that. Now most fillers, they come in various lengths, we can cut them down. So if you only need like an inch between your cabinets, we can expand your vanity itself, really maximizing your storage space within your bathroom. Another option is just adding an extended style to the cabinet. That's gonna give you a bit more of a streamlined look. Just comes directly attached to your cabinet space front. You're not gonna see as much of the seam there.